Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is gun jumping. Gun jumping refers to information you may have or information you may share before something's proved or released. Now let's talk about that. If you're a public company and you're going to go public and you file an S1, which we talked about before on other videos, that's an IPO. If you start marketing that IPO to people and selling them shares or giving them information before the S1 is cleared by the SEC of comments, that could be gun jumping. Another way people gun jump, if you've ever seen a stock trade, a lot of shares before the news of a merger or buyout, someone may have that inside information and be trading illegally on that information or speculatively gun jumping and trading that stock ahead of news. Today's word is gun jumping.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.